Subscribe to Life FM's channel. Today we are here to teach how to bypass Techno Spark 4 without PC. Techno Spark 4. Let's start. Then you click on don't copy.
That's okay.
Let's use Google instead. Now we are on our Gmail. So let's get back. Now let's change the language. Yeah, I'll change my own to this one. Then you click on the emergency sign. Then you double tap the top. Then you click on the. Then you click on the first one. Then you click on the first one. Then you click on the blue sign. So to choose the first one. Then you add the language. Now let's get back and change the language again to English. So we start. You double click on the emergency info. Then you click on the pen sign. Then you come edit information. Then you click name. Then you click on the group sign to put it on Jamboard. Then you go to add. You choose any language we have this sign. Then you click on the three dots. Feedback. Then you click on. After that, you click on the share sign. Then you choose if your phone have the same browser as my owner. You choose this browser. Then we agree and start. Allowed. On the search box, type Google. So you go to the top, then type in google.com. Wait to open. Then you type FRP far Please don't give space. Type it. FRP slash slash. No. Type after you type FRP file, then you put space, then you put the bypass. After you type the FRP file space bypass, then you search for the open set lock screen, then you put your pin. So I just suggest my own to be 799. Next 7 9 confirmed. So now your set lock screen has been activated. So you just power on the phone and see whether your set screen is being activated successfully. So let's see. So it has been activated successfully. So you get back to where you started. So we get start. Start the phone. Now we move to don't copy. Now it's time for us to see whether our pin can open the phone successfully. No, it has been done successfully. Now we have skip button next on our phone now. So that means our phone has been successfully bypassed without PC. Google accounts has been successfully bypassed without PC. Thank you viewers for watching. Subscribe to the channel. The name is Laughing Farm. Skip. Anyway. Skip. Accept. Now it's time for us to set our country. So I put Ghana. Next. I have read and accepted the condition. Next. Thank you viewers. Thank you for watching. Now our Techno Spark 4 has been successfully bypassed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. The name is Laughing Farm. Our Techno Spark 4. Now we are developer. Thank you, viewers.